video is about finding keywords, especially for YouTube. Why are keywords so important? These are the words that you want to use in your video. You want to use them in your tags, your titles, your description, because they tell YouTube what your video is all about. And when YouTube knows what your video is about, YouTube knows which viewers to send to your video. So you immediately benefit by getting more views. And more views can actually beget even more views. See, when you make good videos and your new viewers watch them and watch them to the end, this sends a signal to YouTube that they've made a good match and that these viewers like your videos, so they're going to send you even more viewers. And keywords and tags are particularly important for small channels, for new channels, for growing channels. So this video is going to be helpful to any YouTuber, especially helpful if you're new to YouTube, and extremely helpful if you have a tough niche. And technically every niche can be a tough niche, but by a tough niche I mean that one that has exceptionally high competition. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be using 2 free keyword tools. You're going to love these tools. You're going to be able to follow step by step as you see how we crack open, and I mean crack wide open, one of the toughest niches on YouTube. If you'd like to get more views, if you'd like to get more exposure, if you'd like to get your videos on page 1 of YouTube search, and I mean on page 1, in many cases at or near the top of search, it is possible even for a small channel, and I'm going to show you proof of that in just a moment. The first tool that I'm going to use is K-Parser. I've taken us to K-Parser, and I'm using the keyword Fortnite. And the reason is that Fortnite is in the gaming niche, number one. The gaming niche is, in my opinion, one of the very toughest niches, and Fortnite is very, very tough. So I'm doing this on purpose because I want you to see just how incredibly well this works. And Fortnite happens to be the 8th most searched keyword on YouTube, with over 2 million searches a month. So what that means, of course, is that we have a lot of search. Unfortunately, what that also means is that we are going to have a tremendous amount of competition. This is unfortunately one of the mistakes, you might say, that a lot of new YouTubers might make, and that is that they're going to focus on words like Fortnite, and those keywords are not going to do them a whole lot of good, probably not going to do them any good at all, because the competition is just fierce. So those kind of keywords are not going to help your channel. The first thing I need to share with you, first thing that you need to know, is that the keywords with the most searches are not necessarily the best keywords. The best keywords are the ones that have good search, reasonable search, and low competition. If we type Fortnite into the search box on K-Parser, and if we hit start, in a matter of seconds, we're going to have thousands, not hundreds, thousands of keywords, because this is a bulk keyword tool. What it's going to do is it's going to give us a lot of keywords. It's also going to give us a K-Parser rank, and this is the free version that we're using. But the rank is actually the most important part of our search. The rank kind of weighs the search against the competition. Now in K-Parser, with K-Parser, the lower the number, the lower the rank number, the better. I'm going to show you another keyword tool in just a moment. The higher the number, the better. But in this case, we're looking for low numbers. If we can find something in the 20s, that's good. And if we can find something in the teens or better, that's great. And the first keyword that I find, or the first keyword phrase that I find with an excellent rank, with a darn good rank, is a Fortnite montage, but the song gets older and older. Scroll over a Fortnite montage. Well, let's scroll over this and hit copy, paste that in search. And here's a video that's 2 weeks old, and in the gaming niche particularly, we're looking for videos that are relatively new, because in the gaming niche, it's kind of here today and gone tomorrow in some cases. On the right hand side you'll see Search Explorer. This is the keyword search tool from TubeBuddy, and the other keyword tool that I want to share with you. It's TubeBuddy. You'll find my affiliate link below to TubeBuddy if you're not using it already. And once you install it, it's free. It's free to install, and it's going to give you an overall score. And an overall score, what I'm shooting for in my niche is I'm looking for green. I want this, and so in other words, instead of fair, I want it to be good, very good, or excellent. But in the gaming niche, fair is actually pretty darn good. You'll see in just a moment. So these keywords are fair, and let's click on the first video because that is only 2 weeks old. It does have those keywords. It has it in the title. This particular channel has got when you install TubeBuddy, it's going to show you an SEO score up here. It's got a 100 SEO score, so we know that this channel is using the secrets, you might say, that I'm sharing in this video. So what that means to you, what that means to me, is that this is a good channel that we might want to try to emulate what they're doing. When we look down a little bit further, let me show you something that's really neat. When you get TubeBuddy, you're going to see the tags. The tags are going to show up. Click Show Search Settings, and you'll see that anything in the green is actually should be on page 1. That tag is ranking on page 1. So this video is showing up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Approximately 14 times it's showing up on page 1 for these particular keywords. If we go with a Fortnite montage, but the song gets older, if we click on that, it's going to show you how that keyword scores. Okay, again, it's actually good, and good is great when it comes to the gaming niche, because good is actually putting this video on page 1 in the 9th position. So if we click on results and scroll down to 7, 8, 9, it's actually in the 8th position. So here's the secret that I want to share with you. We can click copy right here. We can paste all these keywords that we can use a little bit later. XN Johnny is in the number 2 spot, so let's click on this video and look at the keywords that he's using to get him in the number 2 spot. Number 2, page 1 for Fortnite. Fortnite, this is extraordinary, and we're already there in a couple of clicks. And what he's done is he's used the same keywords for both videos. He's used the same exact keywords, the same exact description for both videos, and both videos are on page 1. This one happens to be in the number 2 spot, and notice what he's done here. He's put the keywords in his description. I like to put them in more of a sentence form, but he's put that in his description. And in a gaming video, usually there's no text, there's no verbal text, there's no written text, so technically YouTube doesn't have a whole lot to go on if you don't provide it with the tags. So YouTube doesn't know what your video is all about. How does it know what visitors to send you? So you need to let it know by putting those keywords in your description, in your tags, and in your title, which this channel has done. In fact, this is a perfect example. I do want to show you. You go to my channel, click on the first video, 100 SEO score. Guy might have some idea what he's doing. Show the search results, search rankings. How to make $175 a day. According to this, it's on page 1, number 1 spot. This is my video. I apologize. This is not meant to be bragging. I simply want you to see. I want you to see that this works. And if you can get on page 1 for Fortnite, okay, I'm getting an 86. Again, I shoot for the green, but it's a little different niche. It's a little easier niche. It's not an easy niche by any means, but it's a little easier niche than. So 86. And if we click on results, guess who's number 1? Number 1, page 1, number 1. That's going to help even the smallest channel, even a brand new channel. That's going to help you to get all kinds of exposure. It's going to help you to get the views that you want to get. So if you like this video so far, and I certainly hope you do, if you're getting value from this video, give it a big thumbs up if you would. Thank you so much. It shows YouTube that you like the video, and it will push it out to more people. So there's another little trick that you can use as well. Ask people to give your video a like, because it really does help your video get more views. Hit that like button if you would. Turn it black. Do that right now. Thank you so much. And if you're new to this channel, allow me to introduce myself. I am George Pierce. Welcome. Welcome. It's great to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. I make videos about making money from home, as well as helping you with your YouTube channel. If that's of interest to you, consider subscribing. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, and that way I'm going to be able to let you know whenever I publish a new video. Thank you again for watching. I am rooting for you. Allow me to wish you much success. I'll see you in the next video.